You on our channel, and today I will help you get the maximum bonus up to $515 and help you correctly activate the promo code. And first of all, for this we need to download the application from the official site. I will leave the link in the description. Our next step, go to the application, and if you have an account, then log out of it. After that you need to click registration. There, right now I will choose in one click, but you can choose anything else. Current value to US dollar, and current country is your current country. Mine is United States. Current value to US dollar, and select your bonus on sports or on casino. I'm usually choose sports and playing sports. Accept, and enter the current promo code is ZANOS24. Accept all the rules and tap on the green mark. Yeah, but I didn't see this because I registered my account today, and we will see the error. But you, after going to the captcha, you see your login and password. I recommended you to screenshot this for your pleasure or change it right now for didn't lose your big bonus. Yeah, and after that go to our final step in account deposits menu. In this menu, in order to receive a bonus, you need to replenish the balance in any way convenient for you. Balance is replenished almost instantly. Guys, if you have any questions, then ask them in the comments. I will definitely answer them. And if you want to support us, follow the link in the pinned comment and use our actual promo code. Thank you for that. Goodbye and good luck to all. Have fun.